personal interest. In as much as the leader stands for the interests and principles of general welfare, the greatest good, the greater good, the greatest number, maayon na siya na Pangulo. Pero kung wabog ang panahon, ang iyang ilang taon na lang sa kaugalingon, ang iyang kaugalingon na interest over the interest and welfare of all the members of the organization, then I would say na it's maybe the time that we have to change the decision. But insofar as I'm concerned with the leadership of our President Kubing Chairman, it would be indeed my utmost appreciation and recognition of his efforts sa pagpanagan at pagpalamran sa organisasyon sa Karanso, Bibis sa Magsaysay. And with that, di ko natason kayo ang akong pagkikulong kay kaning panagsanurutayman sa atong pagsaulong sa Pasko. Makita ta sunod na tuig 2025, few days na lang, we are counting the days. It would be year 2025. And humanini usa ka tuig kita nga makita kaya sa magkaroon 2024. And by next year, it will be 2025 in January. Usa ka tuig kita nga makita. So we have to cherish this moment as we can. With that, my sincere and cordial greetings to everyone. Maayong Pasko, advance ang Pinoy sa tanan. Salamat.